Okay, we got this Flexy Hummingbird shaver that they sent to us so that we could show it to you. It's got this really cool little flexible head on it where you can see the little pedals just kind of flex around whatever it is you're trying to get around. Really handy for like knees and ankles and things like that. I actually tried to do a video around on my legs here the other day, and when I went to go edit it, it was like missing half of it because apparently I hit pause when I should have hit play and play when I should have hit pause, so it was missing. So it has kind of a little button right here. It has different heads that you can put on the top here, but I really like the flex head the most, because it does kind of flex around your different unusual parts that aren't just straight up and down. So you just push this here, and you can hear it's going there, but you can see it kind of just see if you can see it flexing around the different parts and stuff. It's kind of, I'm sitting out in the sun so that you have better view here because of the lighting and stuff. And so there's kind of be some kind of outdoor noise. I just heard a cat here, one of the neighbor cats here just the other second ago. But let's see if you can see. I don't know if the light's going to do any good because of the sun. Might be too glaring on these very, very white legs. Let's see if you can see. I don't know if you can get a very good look at how much hair is there or not. But they do say they don't really want it to be more than just a few days of hair, and there's some spots here that got missed the last time I shaved, so there might be more than 3 or 4 days worth of hair. So there's some traffic going by there, so you may hear some of that. But anyway, it's kind of a nice little razor there, and it's not super loud either. I like the fact that it's not very loud, and yeah, it's just kind of a nice little shaver there. So yeah, thanks for sending that. It's going to be really handy, and it's way more easy and comfortable than trying to do it while you're perched on one leg in the shower with my regular normal razor and stuff. So